never lay sir.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah.
Say no Biafra.
Ba magana Biafra. To bande na je wana agari kuma ina zan je oga. Sai dai addu'a oga.
Kai dan kasa ne. Azan ku ne ba wanda zai sore ka.
Amin oga. Amin
Dan
oga.
yamurin arewa ne.
You shall I hada mu. For our grandfather, they know some women will divide. Sorry, how come say you ba Allah ila. Ya bole fa.
Ya ba ka kawai. Yara mun na a cikin kwana uku nan za su yi tsoron abin da suke.
Yau ya kamata.
Kwantar da hankalinka.
Thank you sir. God bless you.
Ga jama'a mu su kwantar da hankalinka.
Kowa yanzu har ma addu'a na yi addu'a nan. Ada yi addu'a nan. Da gode fa. Yawa.
The man you just watched in the video denying his identity is the very Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was saying during his broadcast. He was giving the Jigawa State governor assurance that Hausa people are safe in Igbo land, that there the leaders are doing everything possible to sustain their livelihood in Igbo land, and they are not under threat. And secondly, that they are not in support of any kind of violence against Hausa people. Watch the second video to understand what Jigawa State Governor said during the time he was addressing the Igbo community, giving them assurance that they are safe, that there will be no reprisal attack. The reason why they have not attacked back the Igbo people living in the north is simply because if they do, the country will burst. They understand this. They understand that the world is not even behind them. They understand that the offensive diplomacy by our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, have done much in destabilizing Nigeria in the global scene. And for that reason, they are in fear. They are doing everything possible to politicize the process so that they will elongate the unity of that country and continue feeding fat on the commonwealth of Nigerians, especially Old Eastern region, whose wealth is used to build Nigeria on a daily basis, whereas they are on the suffering side of the same society, which their wealth are being used to build.
Are you happy staying with us? So please send the message home that your people are very safe in the state of Jigawa and in the north. And tell those detractors, tell those politicians that want to cause my harm in this land, that they will not succeed, that there will be no reprisal, that we understand their game, and that will not allow anybody to be harmed, and we will not allow those few miscreants to create or ignite trouble in this land. He is the leader in the southeast that comes out to say we are not in support of those people trying to create war in this land, that are trying to molest Fulani, that are trying to molest Hausas in there. And he said, we as leaders of the southeast, we are not in support of these people, and we will fight those people that are fighting our people from the north.